Hello friends, welcome you all by Mr. Muntod SR. There are two types of people around us who find possibility in adversity and some find adversity in possibility. Before start the poem, I would like to start or state an example in ancient when engine made people or engine made by the people were watching and said it's never starts. But engine started, people were shouted, it will not stop now. Such people create negativity and some people are dangerous for the society. Let's start poem. It can be done. First two lines. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can be done. In first stanza, the person who says he can't do anything, can't be done, cannot enjoy his life. The man who loses all the fun in his life because he always looks his dark side. He unable to understand, but there is a silver line links every dark clouds. But he thinks about only dark clouds. Next two lines in Solomon Pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. In Solomon Pride means here, it means looking very serious, grand and important. Aloof means separately without getting involved in anything. And venture means adventure, a dangerous or risk task. The person who says it can't be done looks very serious and important. He doesn't do anything and doesn't involve in any new things. So he has always very few friends. He criticism is always good, but such type of people with setting mind with negative or negativity where things is excellent. They never miss opportunity to criticize. They express only negative comments. Had he the powers, he would efface the history of human race. If such type of people have power, they would even erase the history. Here is God is kind and reasonable. Those who are criticized, they are not to do anything. They only started criticize to people. Now here, next four lines we are going to take. We would have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. Would would linger in the age of stone. Here, such type of people, there would be no invention. There will be no invention because they would think only that it is not possible. So, we would have no motor cars, nor radio, will be darkness on our street because electric bulbs they not having invention because their negativity approach there is more result of negative thinking not to be other telegraph or machine and telephones. Due to that we like to stay in the stone age. The world would sleep if things were run by man who says it can't be done. If the things run by men, who says it can't be done? Here, in these lines, we can express nothing is important in this world if we are having positive attitude and thinking. Homework on page number 50. Pointers as a homework. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in one sentences each. A. Who misses all the fun? B. What does the title of the poem say? C. What does the man who misses all the fun do? D. Why does he miss all the fun? E. What would he do if he had the power to do it? F. What example of man progress have been given in the poem? Last one, G. What should human beings do in order to make progress? These all questions you have to solve in your notebook. It will check by me when school will be started regularly. Thank you very much.